Chat GPT can certainly help you with finding great products to sell on Amazon. Want to find out how? Let's get started. So you might be a big AI fan. However, using Chat GPT to find products to sell on Amazon might be a little bit difficult unless you have the correct prompts to use. So let me show you. So let's get started with the first prompt. The first thing you want to add is asking what private label niches and products are popular online. Now, I did a lot of research when doing this video, and I found that using niches is very important because then ChatGPT will just give you general categories and not actual products. Check out all of the niches, and then you can select each and every one and go through the system that I'm going to show you. So in this case, I'm going to select home and kitchen. So naturally, the most important prompt would be to say, like we found right here, so what are profitable home and kitchen product niches to sell online? Interesting. Now I'm going to select one of those and dive a little bit deeper. That's a lot of ideas. How about we choose storage and organization solutions? Next, now let's ask a little bit more information about Amazon.ae. Now, of course, ChatGPT doesn't have real-time data, but still, it's going to give me an idea. Feel free to change Amazon.ae to anything else, depending on where you're selling. Really cool stuff. Again, I'm getting general niches as well as examples. How about we choose closet and wardrobe organizers, kitchen storage solutions? How about we choose bathroom storage? Now I'm going to ask for actual products. What are the newest bathroom storage products on Amazon.ae? And here we go. Lots of different options. Now it's time to move to Amazon. Now, before we continue, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, leave us a thumbs up on this video, and leave us your comments and questions in the comments section below so that you can win a consultation call with me that we can discuss anything related to selling on Amazon. And by the way, if you need help and support with finding great products to sell on Amazon or anything related to scaling and growing your business on Amazon in the Middle East, make sure you reach out to the team on www.assmiddleeast.org. We're here to help and support you. I've logged into Amazon.ae and typed in drawer and vanity organizers. This might not be the right keyword, but let me see what I find. As you can see, there are a few products that are selling okay for being such simple products. This, as an example, is selling 100 units per day, has a lot of reviews for sure, but is selling at 52.99 dirhams. Very simple set of 25 pieces of clear drawer organizers. This is going to be also very simple to ship. This Puricon brand is selling at almost 47 dirhams, quite low, but is also getting 75 units sold every single month. For such a simple product, this is not bad. Let's go back and choose something else from the niches that ChatGPT has provided. How about closet and wardrobe organizers? Again, same prompt. What are the newest closet and wardrobe organizer products on Amazon.ae? Let's choose this one. This time I went into the actual subcategory and I found these products, or this product of pack of 5 selling at selling 106 units per month. Absolutely simple product to find, nothing really revolutionary about it, so you could make a lot of changes and differentiations. Now, you could use ChatGPT as well to give you some ideas of how people search for particular products, because as you might imagine, we're not utilizing the right keywords for these products. Now, this can help you not use a tool if you don't want to. So as you can see here, I'm asking ChatGPT what popular search terms people use, customers use, when looking for underbed storage solutions on Amazon.ae. And I get a lot of phrases and long tail keywords as well, which are also potential keywords that you can use to find other products. So ChatGPT can really be a useful tool, not just for your everyday tasks, but also for potentially finding great products and great niches to sell on Amazon, no matter where you're selling. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye!